Hi everybody, welcome to NuttX channel. Today I'll explain how to use a barometer like this one, the BMP180 in the NuttX. So let's get started. Open the Linux terminal, enter inside NuttX space, NuttX, execute make this clean to clear previous configuration. Now we need to check if our board has support to BMP180. ls configs STM32F103 minimum src STM32 BMP180.c. Okay, our board has support. So now we can execute the board configuration. Tools, configure.sh, STM32F103 minimum /nsh. Now execute make menu config to select the options to enable the BMP180 barometer. Make menu config. First, we need to select the options to enable the USB console. If you don't know how to do that, please watch this video explain. Okay, I enabled the USB console. Now I will show how to enable the barometer BMP180. Enter inside System Type, STM32 peripheral support, enable the I2C1 or I2C1, exit again, enter inside device drivers, enable I2C driver support, go to sensor device support, enter inside it, enable Bosch BMP180 barometer sensor support. We can exit again, go to application configuration, examples, and enable the BMP180 barometer sensor example. Now we can exit again, and finally exit and save. Now execute make to compile the source code. Okay, the source code was compiled. Now we need to flash the firmware inside the board. If you don't know how to do that, please watch this video explain. Plug the ST-Link programmer and execute OpenOCD. Okay. The firmware was flashed, so we just need to wire the cables in the barometer in the STM32F103 minimum board. So let's do it. First, connect the VIN to 5 volts pin, because the barometer module has the voltage regulator in the board. Connect the GND to G pin here. Okay. So connect the I2C clock or SCL to pin B6 here. Okay, B6. And finally, connect the SDA for the I2C data to B7, pin B7 here. So basically that is it. Now we can connect the USB cable. We connected the barometer in the board. Now we need to check if the USB console was detected. So demask. Okay, it was detected. Now we can execute minicon and change the serial port from TTY USB 0 to TTY ACM 0. We need to press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if the device driver was created. ls/dev. Okay, it was created. Let's check if the BMP180 application is here. Okay, the application also is here, so we can run it. Very nice. Now if we change the barometer position, the value will decrease or increase as you change it. So, very nice. Basically that is it. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to NuttX channel, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.